Hi everyone, and welcome to Tip Time Thursday. And this Tip Time Thursday is all going to be about my two favorite creatures in the world. I want to introduce you to Buster. This is Buster. Say hi, Buster. And this is Cassie. This is my little Cassie dog. And Buster and Cassie have been with me a long time, and they are getting older every day. And I'm just wondering if there's anyone else out there that is also having trouble with elderly dogs. So that's what Tip Time Thursday is all about today. So I'm just going to put on some eye medication on Cassie real quick. Cassie, my sister's name is Kathy. My dog's name is Cassidy. I call her Cassie. We recently took a trip to the vet and she was having a little eye irritation. So I got her some medicine for her eyes. So I just want to talk to you a little bit about the issues you have with older dogs, because as my dogs get older, they're having more and more issues. And it's costing me more and more money every time I go to the vet. Special shampoo for both of them because they have skin issues. Probiotics to put in their dog food. Eye medication for both of them. Allergy medication for both of them. They both right now are taking antibiotics for a skin infection. I have made homemade dog food for them with rice and carrots and hamburger and supplements and pumpkin. They still had allergies. They still had skin issues. I give them baths with special shampoo. I leave it on for 10 minutes each one. Cassie now has diabetes from all the allergy medication she took when she was younger, all the steroids. I'm kind of hoping you guys have tips for me, because as my dogs get older and older, they're having more and more problems. They're costing me more and more money, and it's very difficult because I really, really love them. I want them to be healthy and happy, but I cannot afford to go in debt over all these medications for my dogs. Their prescriptions cost more money than my prescriptions cost for myself. They're all doing great, but I'm just wondering, how much money do we spend on our dogs, and how much is enough and how much is not enough, and when do you call it quits? I'm wondering what you guys think, and if you can share your thoughts with me in the comments below. If you like this video and you want to subscribe to my channel, please do so. And please, if you have pet tips, I need to know them, because my dogs are costing me a fortune and it gets bigger and bigger every day. Thank you for joining me on Tip Time Thursday. Tip Time Thursday.